Hello, first grade. Welcome back for worksheet 121. We just learned another sound for the letter A. We are going to practice coding and reading words with that skill, but first we are going to review some of our sounds. Make sure that you repeat the sound and then we will write the letters that make the sound on the line. Number 1, hua, hua. Combination WH says hua. Number 2, there are two spellings for this sound. O, O, L, final, L, L. O. Number 3 also has two spellings. The sound is V, V. V, final, V-E, V. Number 4, This is digraph O-O, Two spellings for number 5. The sound is F, final, F, F. All the rest just have one spelling. Number 6 is Zol, Zol. Z-L-E, Zol. Number 7, X, X. The letter X says X. Number 8, Y, Y. Letter Y says Y. Number 9, I, I. Letter I says I. And number 10, B, B. B says B. Great job. Let's practice spelling some words now. For number 11, let's spell the word itch. Itch. I-T-C-H. Itch. And number 12, let's spell the word patch. Patch. P-A-T-C-H. Patch. And today we talked about the letter A, and it says ah when it follows the letter W, when it follows combination QU, or when it's before the floss rule. So let's practice spelling some words in those cases. So number 13, we're going to spell the word wash. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. Number 14, let's spell the word squat. Squat. S-Q-U-A-T. Squat. And number 15, let's spell the word ball. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. All right, let's practice coding and reading more words. For number 16, I see trigraph TCH. Underline the trigraph In TCH, the T is silent, so let's cross it out. Trigraph TCH says ch. Now the A comes after the W, so it will say ah. So we need to put 2 dots above the A. Let's try to read this word together. W-a-ch, watch. Watch. That matches our picture. Number 17 has a suffix ed. Put a box around that. So we're going to forget about that now and look at the root word. And in the root word, I see combination QU. And since that A is following QU, it's going to say ah. So we put 2 dots above it. And SH, digraph SH. So let's try to put this word together. Squash. Squash is the root word. And let's add the suffix now. Squashed. Squashed. Number 18 is a compound word. So let's divide between the L and W. So let's look at word number 1. We have the letter A followed by 2 L's. So it's going to say ah. We need 2 dots above it. All. Hall. And for the second word, we have digraph A-Y. The A makes the long sound. The Y is silent. So this second word is W-A. Put it together and we have hallway. Hallway. Great job. Number 19, I see no obvious coding and the vowel is followed by 2 L's. That follows the floss rule. So the A says aw, 2 dots above it. Let's read this word together. Small, small. Great job. Number 20 also doesn't have any obvious coding. There is the floss rule again with the 2 L's. So it's going to say aw, 2 dots above the A. All, wall. Great job. Let's finish the rest of our worksheet together. For number 21, I see combination WH, put an arc underneath that. Then we have I, consonant E. Macron above the I, cross out the silent E. I'll, while. Number 22 is a compound word, so let's divide between the N and A. In the first word, we have digraph EE. So underline the digraph. The first E will make the long sound. The second E will be silent. Teen, teen. And then for the second word, we have A, consonant E. Now this G, we have GE at the end. GE says J. So we need to put a dot above the G. So the second word is age. So we have teenage. Teenage. Number 23, we have U, consonant E. Macron above the U, cross out the silent E. Again, we have GE, so G says J. Huge, huge. Number 24, we start off with ghost letter digraph KN. The ghost letter is K, so cross that out. Then we have trigraph IGH. The I makes the long sound. The G and H are silent. Night, night, night. That matches our picture. And number 25 is a compound word. So let's split between the T and R. In the first word, we have trigraph IGH again. The I makes the long sound. The G and H are silent. So this says t, tight. And for the final word, we have O consonant E. Make round above the O, cross out the silent E. This word says rope, tight rope, tight rope. Great job on your worksheet today, friends. For your homework, you know what's coming. We've got a picture today at the top of the page. You have a word bank, so make sure that you're telling me a story about what you see in the picture. Your story should be made of sentences. So that means that your sentence should start with a capital letter and end with a period. Don't forget to spend some time reading your words in your high frequency word box. Great job today.